In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a new project in Basecamp. Whether you're setting up something for the first time or adding to an existing lineup, initiating a project in Basecamp is a straightforward task that can get your team organized in no time. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to log into your Basecamp account. Once you're in, navigate to your home screen or the projects screen, which is typically where you view all of your ongoing projects and key tasks. This is your main workspace, where you can start new ventures or keep track of existing ones. Now, here's where the process begins to personalize itself. Look for a button that says Add a new project or New Project. This can usually be found somewhere prominent, maybe under your company logo or alongside other navigation options. You're aiming to start something fresh, so click that button, and a new dialog or page will appear. This is your gateway to creating something brand new, whether it be a project for a client, an internal undertaking, or a special event. Once the new dialog opens, you'll be prompted to enter a project name. This is essentially the headline of what your project will be about, so make sure it's clear and descriptive. If your project is, say, marketing campaign for product launch, include pivotal info in the name to keep things straightforward and unmistakable for anyone involved. If you find it beneficial, there's also an option to include a description of your project. This is the place to provide some context about the project goals or key points that differentiate this project from others. Next, you have a choice to make regarding the visibility of this project. Should it be invite-only or all-access? If it's invite-only, control remains in your hands or your team's hands about who has access to see or collaborate on the project. On the contrary, an all-access project might be available to broader members of your team, great for company-wide initiatives or transparency purposes. For those who have access to templates through their account, you may also choose a template upon which to base your new project. Templates are particularly handy because they come pre-configured with tasks, templates, and settings. It saves time and brings consistency to similar projects. After you've filled in the necessary details and made your decisions on privacy and templates, it's time to solidify your new project by clicking Create this project or an equivalent button. You will land in your newly crafted project workspace, a blank canvas ready to be filled. Here, you can add essential tools such as to-dos, messages, files, and schedules. It's also the place to invite people who are going to be key to your project's success. And there you have it. The foundations of your new project are set and ready for development and collaboration. Get started on organizing everything you need to achieve your project goals efficiently.